Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with the index Nifty. Nifty continued to close in a green zone for the third consecutive trading session. For past 7 weeks, index has been hovering inside the broad range of 14,900-14,300 levels, which is approx 500 points. On multiple occasions, it tried to move out of the range, but it failed to do so. Positive thing is that index was able to close above the major EMS of 20 and 50 levels. Index needs to breach either side to decide the further course of direction. Closing above 14,900 levels will open up the doors for the bullish momentum towards 15,100 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. So comparing to the Nifty, Bank Nifty continued to underperform as Nifty grew by approx 1.5% and Bank Nifty by approx 0.5% for the week. On daily scale, it has come out of the range of 30,800-32,200 levels, and now 32,200 will be acting as an initial support level, which was previously acting as a resistance. From past 6 trading sessions, index has been facing steep resistance around 33,150 levels. Index needs to close above 33,200 levels to resume its journey towards 34,000 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Infra Index. On weekly scale, index has been forming higher high, higher low formation from past 1 year. It has breached and closed above the resistance of short-term falling trend line. Index continued to hold the support of a 20 EMA and it has bounced from those levels. Index above 4,120 levels, we expect it to move towards 4,200 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which I am going to talk about is Glenmark. On daily scale, stock has performed pennant breakout. A good volume could be witnessed on a bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. Stock continued to trade along with the support of a 20 EMA. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock above 600 levels to move towards 700 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Hind Petro. Post breakout from a long-term resistance trend line, the stock has been moving in a tight range of 228 to 38 level for the past many weeks. Currently, the stock has seen a sharp surge from the low of 228 levels. In the process, has resulted a breakout from the above mentioned range, and hence offers a fresh buy opportunity to ride the next leg of up move here on. The stock has witnessed a decent price volume action with a fresh MACD crossover. So stock about 252 levels, we expect to move towards 260 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.